Learn to make your own mini compost. Composting requires little to no investment, yet the payoff is huge. It saves money, reduces waste, and is a useful life skill to teach your children. Now, let's get started with the ingredients that you'll need. Soil, which helps boost the decomposing process. A container with a cover. Newspaper if you don't have dried leaves, which provides carbon. Fruit and vegetable scraps from the kitchen. Dried leaves. Some coffee grinds, which are optional, and half a cup of water, which maintains moisture and improves aeration. Step 1. Fill a quarter of the container with soil. Step 2. Add some newspaper pieces. Step 3. Add fruit and vegetable scraps. Step 4. Now add some coffee grinds. Step 5. Add a layer of dried leaves as well as some soil on top of it. Step 6. Add some water to keep the ingredients moist and cap the whole concoction. In about 4 to 6 weeks, watch your organic matter turn into a nutrient-rich soil. Once ready, you can use them to fertilize your plants. Composting reduces carbon footprint on the earth and helps our fragile environment. You can make a difference.